What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Haulbound. In this video, I got a little bit of an installation and a review video going on. So let's just check her out what we got going on here. Unfortunately, in one of my last videos, I dropped the bike. And as you can see there, cracked my handlebar mounts. So, unfortunately, they're not even. And I am not too fond of that. So, got ourselves a mount here from a company called Fraser Precision Machining. A little small machine shop out in Colorado. And I couldn't find a whole lot of companies that make these aftermarket mounts. These are 160 bucks on their website. If you look for the Honda OEM ones, these are like 100 bucks a piece. And these are cast aluminum as far as I'm aware, and these are billet. See, they're machined real nice. So I think they also have a GPS mount there. So we'll have to go ahead and see how these things roll. I'll be running these from here on out, so if any issues come up with these, I'll be sure to make note of it. As you can tell though, this baby needs washed. Sheesh. So we'll go ahead and take her down to the wash and get her cleaned up. We'll throw this bad boy on there and see how she does so I can get back to some riding. Let's do it. Alright, so we're going to try and do this without looking up any YouTube videos. Looks like we got 6mm Allen up top and then a 17mm nut on the bottom. So with the factory design, it does have a stud that drops down into there, which does seem very solid. The difference with this aftermarket style is it kind of just sits right on top. So I'm not sure how solid that's going to be, but we'll find out, I guess. It does have a nice sized bolt that goes through it, which is pretty much the same diameter as the OEM stud. So, as you can tell, they're cast. These things just feel pretty dinky, real light compared to this. Alright, so here's how I was gonna run it. Just like that, without the rubber washer or the steel washer. But upon further inspection, I think I'm gonna keep the OEM set up like that and go ahead and just throw the mount right on top of it just because of how solid it looks. I was told by the manufacturer that this was not needed as far as I'm aware. So, but I think I'm just gonna run it like that because it just looks solid to me. I like the way that pressure goes down on there with this setup. Now these handlebar guards are going to be fun to get in because they're all bent up, and I really don't feel like trying to get them off. Plus I don't even have the size Allen to take that off. So we're just going to try and get them lined up and cinch everything down nice and tight. We'll try giving her little love taps just so I don't have to straighten these guys back out. Oh yeah. That should be fun to get out. Okay, so I got everything somewhat situated. That was kind of a pain in the butt. These handlebar guards definitely make it much more of a pain. So definitely keep that in mind if you got these. Gonna go ahead and cinch up the bottom now. There it is. I got everything nice and snugged up. As you can see, those are fairly close. If that wasn't hitting, it would probably go the same amount. So I don't know, we'll have to take it for a ride and see if my bars are bent. If they are, I'll just throw some pro tapers on there and get some bark busters because I don't like that. I might even try tapping that down a bit just to get that seated as much as that one is. So there it is. Let's go for a little night ride. Well, that has been my first part installation slash review video. I'll go ahead and put links in the description for everything. So if you're in need of some new handlebar mounts or just looking to beef yours up, I definitely check this Fraser Precision machine out. It looks like they make a pretty dang good product. So not sure what I'll be doing for the next video. My videos are all out of order now. I'm actually filming this before my first video comes out, so yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll go find some trails, maybe some gravel roads. So stay tuned for all of that. Like I said, go check out this company. They make a dang good product. So that's pretty much it for this video.